A British professor working at the Tianjin University in North China has said that the development of transportation and infrastructure in the country is impressive.
You sense is most different here is growth and how rapidly things are done. Tianjin is building new subway lines. It's building 3 at the moment. And that for me is one of the things that exemplifies things in China. When something gets done, it gets done quite rapidly. So transportation infrastructure particularly, I think, is an impressive development here.
In 2018, Taylor came to work at the School of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology by applying to participate in an international cooperation project on supercomputers.
I knew quite a bit about the Chinese computing industry, the high-end level with machines like Jianhe 1 and 2, and these extremely powerful computers. I think it's very valuable for China to develop this sort of technology. I'd visited China before, but really this is the first place I spent any substantial time in. I like it, I enjoy it. I think it's always interesting, it's never boring. There's nearly always something happening.